जब भी हम किसी कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम की तैयारी के बारे में सोचते हैं, फर्स्ट थॉट आता है कि सिलेबस को कंप्लीट कैसे करें। तन्वी ने लेकिन कुछ अलग सोचा। उसने सोचा कि सिलेबस बहुत ज्यादा है और एक फरवरी के एग्जाम के लिए जो आईआईटी का होता है, मैं स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ सितंबर में, अक्टूबर में, तो 5 महीने में मैं सिलेबस पे फोकस नहीं कर सकती। मुझे फोकस करना होगा स्ट्रैटेजी पे, एंड स्ट्रैटेजी के बेसिस पे जिसने 5 महीने पहले ही सोचा कि उसको एमए एंट्रेंसेस देने भी है, वो आईआईटी में रैंक भी ले आई। स्ट्रैटेजी के बेसिस पे तन्वी ने अपना फोकस को ऐसे किया कि उसने उस पे फोकस किया जो एग्जाम में आ सकता है, रादर दैन कि पूरे सिलेबस की मास्टरी। तो स्ट्रैटेजी जो रोल प्ले कर सकती है, उसके बारे में सुनते हैं तन्वी से।
Hi everyone. So today we are with Tanvi Jaiswal. Tanvi got a rank 3 in IIT. She got into DSC, IGIDR and every other college that she dreamed of. So Tanvi, welcome. Congratulations again
Thank you.
for your achievements. So I want to begin by saying that, we know the accolades that you got this year. So I want to know how much of it was expected. That आपने सोचा था कि हाँ ऐसा होगा?
Oh, so ma'am, while I was doing my BA honors study, I did it in economics only. So again, I did it from DU. So in DU, it's still even if you don't study throughout the year and you studied only in the prep leave and do your PYQs and stuff, you still get
Score well. Yeah.
good amount of CGPA. So what happened was I started my prep in towards late September 2025. And that was already sort of late for me, and I had to do everything from first year se lekar third year tak whatever I have studied. So it was short, and I never expected that I'll get such a good rank in both of these exams.
So for IIT also you started in September?
Yes, ma'am. I started everything from September, and not even in September. It was very, I think, 25th September something. So properly
Almost
it was
October. Almost like crash course ही हो गया ये तो.
हाँ, sort of crash course. So even I still had a few topics that were left, but then towards the end I was very focused कि जो भी paper में आने वाला है उसी के type के questions I have to do. I do not have that much amount of time to go in that much depth. So again it was still not expected it's इतना micro study करके भी I will be able to achieve it. But again, yeah, it was surprising, but still I won't say it was not plausible for me. I was still expecting it because of how the exam went, because after IIT GATE, which was the first exam, I sort of knew what was about to come in IIT JAM. So I had that
What was that? How did you kind of what was the thing? What was the thought process? How did you build this key? अच्छा ये आ सकता है, let me focus on this.
Yes. So, ma'am, for IIT GATE, we have that general aptitude wala section, right? So I feel ki I wasn't prepared that much for it, and I wasn't very much aiming for IIT GATE also. My main aim was IIT NAM. So since it was first, so I'm really grateful for it, because it mentally prepared me for the IIT JAM, the main exam that I was aiming to give. So from IIT GATE, my first mistake was that I saw difficult questions and I panicked. And I messed up the easy ones also. That was my first mistake. And that was the only mistake that I held on to, that I don't have to make it in the next exam. Whatever may happen, I don't have to make it. So I think IIT GATE happened on 7th, 5th. And then IIT JAM happened on 15th, I think so.
1 week later.
1 week later. I was so clear कि no matter what will happen in the exam, I have to just give my best. Just downside, I didn't even think of it. I just have to give my best. And so pattern के लिए what I did was there are hardly I think 6 to 7 papers उसके. So what I did was कि जो topic I know अच्छे से, I practiced those, but the topics that I didn't know, I just tried to examine the type that comes from those questions. For example, my markets topic was not very much prepared. I didn't even when monopoly or perfect competition ka question came, I could recognize that this is this type of question, but I could not somehow associate कि कौन सा concept क्या apply होगा यहाँ पे exam
अच्छा. First degree, second degree, third degree, कौन सा करना है, क्या करना है, वैसे.
Even this I could differentiate, but somehow in the calculations I was lost. I was like, why are we doing this? Like that why part was not clear for me. So for IIT JAM, I could identify it easily कि for Monopoly, there is a certain type of question which has been asked. Then for Monopsony, there's a type. Then for competition के लिए, there's a type. So I tried to master those types. I tried to like practice, I think, 5 or 10 questions, like very limited questions, but of that specific type and what that specific type can be modified into. And I was luckily that type only came in the questions also because I was somehow very much sure कि इतना ही आ सकता है and उससे ज़्यादा थोड़ा बहुत भी deviation होगा, so I would be able to solve उतना. So that was my
Typically,
strategy.
that means कि PYQs को you make sure कि तो at least only IITs के जो PYQs है उसको हर एंगल से properly समझ लो, even if you don't know the whole topic properly, but just the IIT PYQ के जितना मुझे आना चाहिए, at least पूरा करने का टाइम नहीं है तो.
Yes, ma'am. Because,
Okay.
ma'am, I feel that at the end of the day, no matter how much you know, no matter like कितना
Yeah,
कुछ knowledge है, but exam के time पे if that is not coming into your mind, it doesn't matter.
yeah.
So I tried to just like rehearse that mock exam में I tried to rehearse that exam का environment, like proper exam का environment. I even had that I think like it's sort of like rectangular का एक notepad, rectangular shape का एक notepad भी देते हैं उसको practice करने के जो भी आपको लिखना होगा. And IIT GATE में I didn't know, so I was like, oh, I have to write so much and then इतना छोटा space दिया हुआ इन लोगों ने. So like I just like rehearsed it every day. And like I think on one day I gave like maximum two PYQs and just analyzed whatever I have done. And then thoda bahut extra I read about, like for example, for the Indian economy section, what I felt was कि IIT JAM में से भी again specific topics में से ही बार Indian economics के आ रहे थे. So I just like saw 2025 का and 2024 का they mostly asked पिछले 2 साल के ही questions उससे related. So I just saw कि उनके क्या statistics रहे थे and again उसी में से आया. तो it was just pattern repetition and pattern का recognition that is going to help on the detail. That is what I felt.
So you basically you focused your efforts, जितना भी टाइम था उसमें focus efforts की IIT के लिए ऐसे करते हैं, एक strategy बनाई and thankfully that paid off कि वैसा ही आया, वैसे ही टाइप के repetitive questions आए, which actually is true because even in ISI we feel that घुमा फिरा के they test you on those core concepts only. You know,
Yes.
it is not क्योंकि ISI is not really increasing a variety of topics. वही टॉपिक्स है, उसी को वो हर एंगल से पूछ रहे हैं. तो अगर उसी को मास्टर करोगे तभी मतलब यू नो यू कैन काइंड ऑफ होप टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चंस इन द एग्जाम्स. So yeah, I mean, I think that worked very well for you for IIT. So IIT जब रिजल्ट आया, you know, you got that rank. After that, फिर CUET के लिए मतलब did that kind of dim the enthusiasm for further studies की अब और मेहनत फिर से करने का थोड़ा सा वो होता है कि ठीक है अब तो हो गया तो करेगा और मेहनत.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, at least like for जब भी like ऐसा continued study I had, so basically I have taken sort of a drop. So I did not have any other commitment. So all I have to do is study. So it was like I think I was studying minimum 6 to maximum 12 hours a day. Like I was doing it regularly. So like when IIT का result and ये सब आया and then we know कि CUET is also there. So it was थोड़ा बहुत एक enthusiasm में there was a drop कि oh then I have to sit again, I have to read everything again. But I think like for CUET it wasn't इतना like mindfully इतना वो नहीं था कि like I have to do इतना कुछ extensively. It was more or less कि again CUET में it is more like आपको बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स पता है बट इन दैट टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट आर यू एबल टू एसोसिएट हर एक चीज को बहुत ही इंस्टेंटली बिकॉज they don't really ask questions on the basis of concept. They ask behind the concept, like ये concept बना क्यों था, किसने बनाया था, and ये इसके steps क्या हैं इसको like इस चीज को derive करने के लिए. So are you able to associate उस चीजों को? So वो थोड़ा सा एक sort of एक mind game था. because when CUET का paper it came out to be too good to be true, so I knew that there are going to be many mistakes.
हाँ
People were saying कि like कट ऑफ बहुत जाएगा, but at the end I knew कि कट ऑफ इतना नहीं जाएगा, लोगों ने बहुत मिस्टेक्स करी होंगी.
हाँ.
And then again it had many
Some
Indian.
errors were also there in the paper.
Yes, ma'am. Errors were there, and most importantly, I think I was disappointed at a few questions that why are they even here in this section? Like,
That
I think like
the
that's
problem of the
uh,
whole education system right now.
right.
How many
Guessing वाला
questions
parameter
did you
questions.
do in the exam? 75 questions में से.
Seven. I don't remember. I think seven. I left. I think five questions.
5 questions.
I left
Okay.
5 questions, and I think three were wrong. Something of this sort. I'm not very sure. But
Okay.
like less were wrong, and I think two or three उससे ज़्यादा had like left.
Okay. बाद में देखा था कि जो लीव किए थे उनका रॉन्ग आंसर ही मन में आ रहा था या राइट मन में आ रहा
हाँ,
था.
वो बाद में आई चेक, बट देन आई थिंक दे रिलीज्ड अ न्यू आंसर की ना बाद में,
हाँ
मेरे को
हाँ.
अपडेटेड, तो माय मार्क्स डिडंट चेंज. वो आई वाज ग्रेटफुल कि थैंक गॉड इट डिडंट चेंज.
Correct. That's the, I think, again, correct strategy because you can't go crazy about chronology questions. कितना करोगे?
Yes,
You don't know that. Okay. So so what else? What were your challenges? Matlab, this was like your journey, your strategy, most of it which worked. What did you find to be difficult in this journey the most?
okay, so I think the time when I started, it was like while I was doing like all these prep and all, I was thinking कि काश मैंने इसको पहले start कर लिया होता, इतना burden पहले अभी ना आता. Because I September 25 से I started. By October 1st I was clear कि what I have to do. So again it was like काफी hectic मेरे लिए, because per week I had like target of I think I have to do two topic questions. Sorry, two topics I have to do. Uska I have to check videos. Uske I have to do all the questions जो भी अलग अलग PYQ से हैं. That is available on the Edishore portal also. So and like simultaneously I have to attend the classes as well. And uska bhi track rakhna hai, because I don't want any other backlogs to be created. I had too much backlog when I started. So it was getting very much hectic, very hectic. And then like but I think by the end of October, then November ke mid mein, I think it sort of balanced out, because then also I was mentally prepared कि I can't do everything right now. I have to like limit myself. तो वो limit करने के लिए I just focused on specific PYQs and the papers, so that like at least मेरा concept should be clear. I can't just say कि like यही exactly question आने वाला है. I just need to be clear on the concept. So first was like time management, that was really difficult for me. Then second, I think I tend to make like काफी कुछ topics में, for example probability में, I tend to make काफी mistakes. Like you earlier, what I used to do was कि like even if like everything was available, I wasn't able to like associate किसको कहाँ पे use करना है. Again, same with the markets वाला topic. More or less यही था, like इस सब का ही mix, like these were my challenges. Like I didn't have any other commitments, so like it was more or less कि कितना पढ़ सकते हैं और कितना लेगा. I have to devote my time. So like that was the only challenge mostly.
I think that's a very important point you raised because I feel मेरा भी DSE में इसीलिए हुआ था because I didn't cover a lot. सब कुछ मैं नहीं करके गई थी, बट जो करके गई थी वो ठीक से करके गई थी. एंड अगेन आई हैड डन दिस थिंग दैट यू सेड कि मैं पैटर्न करके गई थी. देवर एट दैट टाइम इतने कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्वेश्चंस भी नहीं आते थे ना. ISLM की बहुत शिफ्टिंग ऑफ द कर्व्स के क्वेश्चंस आते थे. एंड इफ यू सी 2006 का पेपर भरा हुआ था with shifting of the curve के questions of DSE. तो मैं वो अच्छे से करके गई थी क्योंकि वो आता था. तो सेम थिंग वर्क फॉर मी ऑल्सो. मैं प्रोबेबिलिटी बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ती गई थी बिकॉज आई न्यू DSE आस्क्ड दैट. तो मैंने भी वही किया था जो आपने किया था बैक इन माई टाइम ऑल्सो, दैट जो एग्जाम के लिए फोकस कर रहे हो उसके टाइप के फोकस क्वेश्चंस पे फोकस करना बहुत जरूरी है. बिकॉज दैट इज ऑल्सो अ प्रॉब्लम विद अ लॉट ऑफ किड्स दैट उनको क्वांटिटी बहुत चाहिए. दे विल कॉल मी एंड से कि और क्वेश्चंस दो, कहाँ से हम और करें. ना सर आपको आता है जो हमने दिया है उतना आपको आता है. एंड दे विल हाँ मैम हम एक बार कर चुके हैं. इट्स आई डोंट थिंक इट्स इनफ, यू नो, बट दे गेट ऑफेंडेड. और क्वेश्चन दो, नए क्वेश्चन दो. And it's difficult to keep explaining कि नहीं, it's just really important to know what those PYQs very very well, like उसको depth में करो, but बहुत ऊपर ऊपर से बच्चे पढ़ जाते हैं. That is,
Yes.
I think, a major problem with everyone. So the points that you raised were very important. And how? So you are saying you took a drop year this year, and you were only focusing on that. How difficult was that? Studying by yourself.
Yeah, so ma'am, like I didn't really have any plan of giving master's exam. Didn't really have any plan about it. So what happened was कि I graduated last year, I think in May 2025, and then I had my 3 months internship. So I wasn't really sure कि I have what I'll do after the internship, but I was somehow like thinking maybe I'll just continue with my fourth year at DU. Fourth year and masters के लिए साथ में करने से अच्छा I need to focus on one thing first. So then I first took an
That was a
exit.
big call to leave that and take and study only for masters.
Yes, ma'am. So
The parents were supportive in that. They didn't say क्या कर रहे हो.
they were not supportive of fourth year.
अच्छा, they were not supportive of fourth year.
Though that was only me because I wasn't really clear about anything, and I was like thinking to have something in my hand at least, like after the internship, because I wasn't really keen on giving economics ka masters because throughout my graduation, my interest in economics sort of declined because of some reason. So it is just like थोड़ा सा सेल्फ अवेयरनेस होना चाहिए, थोड़ा सा प्रेजेंस होना चाहिए, प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड होना चाहिए, दैट जो भी क्वेश्चन सामने आ रहा है, जो भी लाइक कॉन्सेप्ट आ रहा है, यू आर लाइक जस्ट ग्रास्पिंग इट व्हेन एवर इट कम्स. यू आर नॉट लाइक कि इसको 2 बार मतलब ठीक से पहले से नहीं पढ़ा, फिर से चलो लेजीली जस्ट रिव्यूइंग फिर से उसको, वो चीज नहीं. आई डिडंट लाइक.
That's pointless actually.
हाँ, वो तो बेसिकली कम टाइम होने से इट बेनिफिटेड मी बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक कि आई हैव टू बी सुपर फोकस्ड इन दीज मंथ्स एंड या आई हैव sort of like habit of self studying, so like because it basically developed during the college only.
That's also good too, that you had the self awareness to do that, because I have always been a very good student. I think that studies was never a problem for me. The only time I struggled was DSE maths. DSE में जाकर I became like everyone else कि मैं बुक पढ़ रही हूँ लेकिन कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, और मैं 4 बार सिलेबस रिवाइज कर चुकी हूँ लेकिन कुछ भी मुझे पूछ लो कुछ नहीं आता है मुझे. So that a lot of students do that, but so yeah, and then there is this one DSE में there is this one topic game theory जहाँ पे I decided कि I will study 10% of the syllabus पर ढंग से करूँगी. And I scored very well. And BSc Maths में I think 40 मिले थे मुझे, 40 passing थे, बस उतने ही मिले थे, फेल होने से बच गई थी. But yeah, this tendency to mindlessly study, like mindlessly मैंने 4 बार syllabus कर लिया है लेकिन आता कुछ नहीं है, that is also a very common problem. And थोड़ा पढ़ो लेकिन अच्छे से पढ़ो, that has always given me also very good results. कि जितना करो उसको अच्छे से करो, देख लो कि हाँ ये important topic है, पहले इसको कर लेते हैं, उसको करने से भी मतलब बहुत कुछ हो जाता है. Just doing that also solves a lot. So yeah, nice, good to hear. So tell me, so to end, let's ask that what do you think were your if you want to sum it up, 3 most important things or 5 most important things that everybody should keep in mind, or whatever worked for you. Let's say can't talk about everyone else, but what worked for you? Like the strategy, definitely. So strategizing of what to study worked very well for you. Doing the PYQs very well for you. What else did you think, like this, if you can remember, that this I think was one key differentiating factor, that why could you make it, maybe so many others who are struggling couldn't, that maybe these are the differentiating factors.
So ma'am, when I again told you, like I started late. So first what I used to do was कि बार बार syllabus देखना. It is like कि just start doing it. Just forget about कि कितना ज्यादा उसका extent है. Just start, like होता नहीं कि like रास्ते को देखना छोड़ो, just start walking well. You don't need to cover each and everything. You just need to cover at least अपने basics. You should be like very much strong on your basics, क्योंकि हर एक question I felt could be solved with basic. ऐसा like asking why, what, basic जो 5 W's हैं उससे ही question करके you can just completely solve a particular entrance का question if your basics are clear. सो जस्ट ब्रेकिंग डाउन अ प्रॉब्लम आना चाहिए, वो उसके लिए टाइम लगेगा, यू नीड टू बी वेरी पेशेंट उसके लिए, वेरी पेशेंट, बिकॉज आई आई गॉट वेरी मच डिस्करेज जब भी एक पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं होता था, एंड व्हेन आई लुक्ड एट द सोल्यूशन आई वाज लाइक अरे ये तो बहुत इजी था, ये मुझे कैसे सॉल्व नहीं हुआ, पेपर में कैसे होगा ये सब। सो वो सारे थॉट्स को थोड़ा सा लाइक ठीक है, इट्स वेरी नेचुरल टू हैव दोस थॉट्स, बट एट द सेम
Especially when
टाइम
you're studying early on बहुत excitement होती है ना कि मैं PYQ solve कर लूँ, देख लूँ, फिर वो होते नहीं हैं. Very nice, Tanvi. I hope you have fun. Thank you so much for all the tips, all the strategies. I think I hope people listen to you and start strategizing more rather than getting scared and panicked. कि ये कैसे होगा, इतना syllabus है कैसे होगा? But kind of focus on the PYQs, hyper focus on them. Like you said, analyze each and everything why you're doing what. And I think if they do that, hopefully we'll get a result like yours.
yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Tanvi. Thank you.